How to build your own DIY shed. Building a shed base. Laying concrete base. Construct a timber frame using provided materials. Pour concrete into the frame, ensuring even coverage. Remove air bubbles by tapping the frame. Use a spirit level to check for a flat surface. Wear protective clothing and move quickly when working with concrete. 2. Building the shed floor. You're ready to build the shed after making the base. Consider help for lifting panels. Depending on use, you may only need a concrete floor. For a wooden floor, create a frame using timber skids and rim joists, then attach pressure-treated timber plates to the concrete base to fix the walls. 3. Building the walls of the shed. A shed plan guides building walls in a specific order. If using a shed kit, assemble the 4 wall sections on the shed floor, ensuring they are straight and level before securing them. 4. Building the shed roof. Framing the roof is critical for a sturdy shed. The roof usually comes in 2 sections when using a shed kit. Roof felt, included in the kit or bought separately, should be attached starting from the bottom edge and working upwards. It's best to have help for the shed corners, folding and hammering the felt into place. 5. Finishing touches on your shed. After erecting the walls and the roof, fit the windows, door, and any trim. Consider adding gutters to collect rainwater and avoid water damage. Plastic guttering is easier and cheaper, while metal guttering offers better strength and durability. Painting and varnishing the shed can provide further protection. Consider adding shelves for storage and climbers for exterior decoration.